try and get the actually.
Yeah.
Oh, solid state.
Yeah, good solid state. Normally I'm on one of the first guys in the service, so I'm in there tackling. Just spawn on me.
What?
Why'd you spawn on me?
I clicked the spawn on you.
I'm gonna come pick you up. Just because can't really see how far I'm from the ground. Don't wanna fly into a building. Because these are fucking high buildings.
There's a hostile machine gunner due east of your current position.
Here's the helicopter, but it looks like they bailed. What's locking? What's locking? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna pull up.
We now control objective Bravo. I can confirm objective Echo neutralized.
This thing turns slow.
North of your path.
Yeah, got a kill. Woo!
We have taken
Go to Echo.
Objective Delta is now neutralized.
Gonna fly by quickly. Turn, yeah, there's good fall. APC. Reverse. There's a chopper by Charlie. Let's get some altitude. Go. No, it's just farther away. Right ahead of us. Come on, Choppy. Right, bailed.
Hey, where do you think you're going? Get back here, soldier. Objective Echo has just been neutralized.
Dude, I hit him like 3 times with these.
We just took objective Echo.
That one. Delta is the... I'm just gonna go Delta, because I think there's like a few guys there. Well, there he is. On the building. Saw a guy sliding off the side of the building as well.
I can't see.
By Delta. Yeah.
We lost objective Echo.
Pick all these buildings here. There should be a tank as well here at Echo. Just
I spotted a hostile tank. We've taken objective Delta. It's ours.
okay, there's a tank. How far can you look down? Okay,
Yeah, I can still see it. I can see it. That's some tank.
there we go. There we go, he's in open. Ah, hit the building. I'm just gonna have it here. There's a boat in the water.
Just lost objective Bravo.
APC on it. The car in front. Little guy running as well.
Spotted a hostile
Tank.
north of your position. What are your orders?
How's the very smoke?
Just gonna get some air. Drop it. Get bad.
Combat has been neutralized.
NPC.
Objective Alpha has been neutralized. Enemy light armor has been identified west of your location. Anti-tank personnel have been spotted operating to your south.
Just check the roof here. Should be a few guys here probably. Okay.
Enemy chopper spotted.
I saw it's from somewhere, but I didn't see exactly from where. Yeah. Helicopter. Right above East, Charlie.
I have eyes on an enemy AT soldier west of where you are.
Oh, skill assist. I think it's that down there.
There's nothing out there.
Because I got a
Back
kill
here.
assist, so. Is there any enemies above here? Right side. Can't see any more of them.
We've lost objective Delta.
And there's another guy bailed. Go land, son! You know you want to go land. Copper, ahead. He dropped his smoke too soon.
Objective Echo has been neutralized.
Meet us.
Hey, we got a war to fight. Get back here, soldier.
Just gonna go ahead. Chopper, no chopper at
Oh, we should land.
Echo. Are you... Not either of us can fix it, or are you engineer? He's done.
Objective Alpha has been neutralized.
Do it. Yeah.
We're taking objective Echo.
Chopper again, France. Got a kill! Shot him out of the helicopter with a missile. I don't know how we survived that to be like so low on Alpha. We're gonna go for Charlie because there should be spawning guys from there.
Can confirm objective Alpha neutralized.
Yeah, I'm just gonna drop down a little bit.
Alpha is now ours.
Here's somebody sniping.
We've lost objective Echo.
Wait,
What's
good. I see it.
The enemy sniper is operating somewhere to your west.
Come on, turn, you bitch. Turn! I'm also dead. Oh, well, we had a nice little run.
Yeah. You were fantastic. That was awesome.
How many did we get? You're like 26 kills. I've got 6. That wasn't too shit.
Time to customize the helicopters.
I'm just gonna spawn as engineer. So DMR on here. Which one do I still need to kill? All of them.
So that's... Yeah, I'm
Oh, carbine.
I took the Ace 50.
A91. I'm gonna take the A91 just for now for my engineer class. Okay, get it solo.
Yeah, got it.
Go on you. Oh, I can't spawn.
Why?
I don't know.
Spawn on Ace or...
Okay, we're gonna spawn on you. Spawning on you.
Echo is neutral.
I've got guided shells. And I've got guided shells and infrared. Okay, tank. Right, Delta at the bottom.
Appears to be a machine gunner operating north of your location.
Okay, see?
We now control objective Echo.
Yeah, I'm locking onto him. He's out.
And there's a...
What I like about... Okay. They're out. What I like about the guided shells is you can shoot like 2 at a time. You can go land somewhere I can fix for us. Okay, see him. Oh no, I saw somebody else to the left. There we go, pull up. Got him.
There appears to be an enemy
Where?
soldier east of your current location.
Don't see anything. I'm looking on the wrong roof probably.
Right in front of us.
Okay, see him. Got him. Okay.
We've neutralized objective Delta.
Yeah, I'm birding. Oh! Why am I not? It's on assault. Never mind. I swore I
Where the
could
heck you going, soldier? Stick with us.
pick engineer. He got me.
We now
I'm just
control
gonna spawn on
objective
you.
Delta.
Let me just go engineer. Yeah, okay. I'm engineer and I'm spawning. Okay, he's out. Okay. Okay. Ready to go. Yeah, looks clean here. Delta looks clean as well, surprisingly.
We've neutralized objective Delta.
Yeah, because I'm busy capturing Echo.
We've just taken objective Delta. Objective Alpha has been neutralized.
Got one guy as well. Okay, I see him on the mini-map.
We control objective Alpha.
Where the hell did he go? The guy there. Got him.
Ah, buildings!
Dude, yeah! These buildings are very close to each other.
Oh shit.
Helicopter behind probably. No, don't see it.
Negative.
He was like
Objective Bravo is now on.
APC maybe or something as well. It's not impossible, eh?
there's like
I don't see it.
Objective Delta has been neutralized.
Okay, it's also too late.
Come on, we're all in this together. Get over here. Sir, that was me. We now control Objective Echo. I have eyes on a hostile tank north of your location.
Go. Where did it go? Dead. Yeah, it's dead. Yeah, the APC took it out.
Everything is clear. Objective Echo is out of our control now. I have eyes on a hostile AT soldier north of your current location.
But how many bullets does that guy want to hit him? Tank there as well.
I got eyes on an enemy
Behind the
tank.
building.
Hey, can you give me a ride?
Oh! Fuck!
I was trying to get over that before the thing hit us, but it didn't even have hit us. I don't know.
I think it disabled the chopper, and
Yeah,
that's
it
why
did.
we hit the building. At least he doesn't get the kill, so.
They still need to fix that though.
Yeah, I mean,
Cool.
chopper at Charlie. Yeah, I'm busy climbing before I'm going to my normal missile, so it doesn't detect us. Okay, missiles on. That was good. I think my second missile barely hit and he was nuts already. Somebody's locking. Probably buildings. Was it chopper? Oh yeah, there's probably a thingy on it. It's going down. There's AAs locking from these buildings probably somewhere. Turning around. There's still one there. Got him. We'll fly by babies.
Just neutralize Objective Alpha.
Go see it.
I have eyes on a hostile helicopter.
Built. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna go land somewhere there by the US deployment. Oh, a bit of a rough landing.
Objective Bravo.
I'm doing the shake.